Hi, welcome everybody. So you know it is time for a new video. So yeah, if you watched the last video, you would have seen the vlog about me going around in Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, and all of that good stuff. So you know that this video, if you watch that video, you know that this video is about me eating that zinger from KFC in Amsterdam, and me kind of basically judging it based on what I've had in Jamaica and kind of slightly what I had in the UK. So yeah, when I saw KFC in Amsterdam, I was like, immediately, I have to try. Probably not the chicken, I don't know. I'm still very wary of chicken from KFC that's not in Jamaica. I've still never had chicken that is not from Jamaican KFC. So if it's not Jamaican KFC, I'm not having the chicken itself. If it's a zinger, we can go, we can try, we can risk it. But I don't know, there's something about the chicken. I'm just scared. But yeah, definitely I had the zinger, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how it went. So first of all, when I look at the KFC just looked very posh. It was like, okay, automatic doors and all this thing. I'm not sure if there's automatic doors out here in the UK, or if Jamaica might have had automatic doors since I left, but they had automatic doors in Amsterdam, and yes, that was impressive to me. I was like, okay, come through Amsterdam, and I shall come through your doors as well. There were some other things on the menu. I can't remember what else. Oh, they had something with cheese, like some cheese thing, some extra cheese thing on the menu that wasn't in the UK. Can't remember what it was. There's something. Crap. Was it corn? But I think they have corn out here. There was something on the menu that they had that UK didn't have, and I was like, oh wow, that's cool. Anyway, so just know that they have some extra things that the UK does not have. But yeah, honestly, I took a bite of the zinger and it was like,
the flavors are melting.
I was
on my
so
tongue.
shocked because it tasted so good and so similar to Jamaican KFC zinger. It tasted so similar. It tasted like kind of exactly the same to a Jamaican spicy zinger. So it's still not on the level of a Jamaican barbecue zinger, but the spicy zinger, it tasted almost exactly the same. And it was spicy and it was good. It was seasoned. I was like, epiphany. I was like, oh my god. I was almost just melt in the chair and miss my flight and just be like, I'm not going back to the UK. I'm staying right here for the zinger. Yeah. But yeah, no, it was actually really good. So when it comes to Jamaican KFC meal, spicy zinger versus the Amsterdam spicy zinger meal, I think Amsterdam, I'm gonna keep it tight. Because I'm Jamaican, but I'm gonna keep it tight. And another thing with this KFC too, that, you know, just give them a little other bump, is just because it's in Amsterdam. You know, I'm in Amsterdam eating KFC, you know, so that just give them like a little extra points as well. And the view of Amsterdam in KFC, come on, as opposed to like living in Jamaica and just being like eating in KFC. I'm not even eating in KFC in Jamaica. I'm gonna buy the KFC and go home, because like, why am I gonna be in KFC? You don't want to be eating in KFC in Jamaica, nah. But yeah, that's it. Still, Jamaica wins. I don't think I'm gonna find a place that beats Jamaican KFC, but I still just want to experience it, just to see who's on par and who's falling off, so I can resurrect Colonel Sanders and that other guy in the teeth the recipe from, and then tell them that, look, this one's not doing it. This one's not. The thing with the UK zinger is it was good, because remember I was fawning over it. It was good, but it didn't taste like the Jamaican zinger. It tasted good separately, but this just tasted so much like it. It tasted like it. That it was it. Like them ship it in from Jamaica for me. And I'm like, I was appreciative of that. They had me. Yeah, they saw and they were like, yeah, that one, he's from, ship it now, immediately. Yeah, expeditiously. Anyway, yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I think that's gonna be it for the video. It's a pretty short one today, I think. Hopefully, you don't know what happens after editing, but hopefully it was a short enough one. But thank y'all so much for watching. Next video, next long form video at least, should be about my vlog in Spain, so stick around for that one. Trying to get them out because I did all this stuff last year, 2022. So I had this footage from last year. Yeah, so it's just all in my phone, jumbled up. So it's a pain to go through right now, but I'm gonna have to do it for y'all. See, I love y'all. I'm going through all this. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and share this video with someone you think might share it with someone who you think would probably want to watch this. And also don't forget to subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great day and a great year. Yeah, see you later.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these. It's a chicken sandwich.